You just sneeze all over my fucking neck.
Stop fucking sneezing on me, dog.
What you mean? I can't sneeze?
Bro, not on me, nigga.
What you mean?
Nigga, what's up?
What's good, bro?
Nigga, what's good?
Good.
Yeah, nigga, I'm not good. What's up? Cause now you fucking pushing nuts, fool.
Goodbye, Sheldon. Are you good?
What's good with y'all, man? It's Musty, and I'm back with a brand new banger, y'all. Today, we about to be doing a prank, y'all. We're gonna be doing a sneezing on people's prank. I haven't done a prank since I don't know when. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man. And I'm gone. We're about to get this guy right here. Sorry about that, boss.
Are you fucking around? Did you just spray on me on fucking...
No, I just sneezed.
You just sneeze all over my fucking neck. Are you fucking... Is that what you spraying me with water or something, or is that for fucking real?
No, I just sneeze. I can't sneeze.
On me?
I can't sneeze.
Are you fucking kidding me? Did you fucking sneeze on my fucking neck?
Well, I can't sneeze.
On me?
My sneeze is clean. I don't got nothing.
Dude. It was gonna get ugly for you quick. Now get the fuck away from me.
Oh, y'all got like, what are these? Like Yu-Gi-Oh cards, right?
Yeah. Cover your fucking mouth, dog.
Huh?
You fucking sneezing all over me, dog.
I can't hear you.
You sneezing all over me, dog.
What you mean? I can't sneeze?
No, you sneezing on me, dog.
What you mean? I can't sneeze?
Nah, dog. Not on me.
My sneeze don't got nothing.
I don't give a fuck, bro. Cover your mouth. Bro, what the fuck? Stop fucking sneezing on me, dog.
What you mean? I can't sneeze?
Bro, not on me, nigga.
What you mean? I'll just
Sneeze on somebody else.
What you mean? I'm just trying to look at the cards.
Bro, you sneezing on the back of my neck, dog.
What you mean? I can't sneeze?
Nah, dog. Not on me, bro.
My sneeze don't got nothing though.
I don't give a fuck, dude.
What you mean, bro?
You pranking?
Is it
You motherfucker, dog.
We good?
We good.
We good. What's your name, bro?
Daniel,
Bro. Daniel, my bad. For all the people that be trying to fight me, y'all really better see my power right now, y'all. Come on now, y'all. You feel me? It's Musty. We about to punch this shit right here, y'all. Y'all ready? 1, 2, 3.
Bruh.
Let's see what my boy got. Woo! Yo! Damn, my boy. Yo, this little kid. You got more than me, my boy?
You fucking with me?
Huh?
Are you fucking with me?
What you mean?
You just sneezed all over the back of my fucking neck.
I can't sneeze?
On my neck?
What you mean? I can't sneeze on your neck?
No. Is it a fucking joke?
No, I'm not.
Just leave.
What you mean?
Just leave.
What you
Leave me
mean?
alone.
What am I
You
doing?
be fucking with me, dude.
What am I doing?
What's in your hand?
What you mean what's in my hand? I just got tape.
So you just fucking sneezed on me?
I can't sneeze?
Not on me. You sneeze on people? Is that normal for you?
What you mean I can't sneeze?
I'm asking a retarded question.
You good? We good?
Yeah. Leave me alone.
I'm just looking at...
Okay. Go.
I'm just looking at two. What? Shit, y'all better see his reaction right here, yo. What's good, bro? How you doing?
Chilling, man.
Chilling?
There's no way you're sneezing. That's just fucking water, homeboy.
What you mean?
Nigga, what's up?
What's good, bro?
Nigga, what's good?
What's good?
That's no fucking sneezing, nigga. That's water. What's good?
I can't sneeze?
Nigga, that ain't no fucking sneezing. That's fucking water, homeboy. What did you spray me with, homie?
I can't sneeze?
What did you spray me, homie? What's up?
I can't
What did
see?
you spray with me, homie?
You good? You
Yeah,
good?
nigga, I'm not good. What's up? Cause now you fucking pushing nuts, fool. You need that? Let me know. No.
You good?
Let me know, boy, cause I ain't playing.
Look,
Fool.
it's just water.
Fuck, the second time I was like, what the fuck?
Huh?
Kill me?
What you mean? You good? You good? What? What'd I do?
You say "Chh."
I sneezed.
Let me see your hand.
What you mean?
You say "Chh." Nick. I see.
You about to beat me up or not? What's your name? Valentina, Marcos, ¿puedo agarrar tu número?
¿Y qué pasa si le digo que no?
Ya
Pues
que.
no, sí te va a dar mi número.
Okay. Hey, y'all about to get this guy right here.
Hey, ¿quieres que te saque los dientes de un trancazo?
Huh?
¿Qué me estás escupiendo?
Okay. It was a sneeze. I sneezed.
Vamos a ver qué pinche madrazo que te voy a dar.
Huh?
¿Qué quieres, te digo?
¿Sí que quiero?
Sí.
Un beso. That's good. Achoo.
Did you sneeze on me?
Yeah, I just sneezed on you right now. I don't got nothing though. I'm not sick. My bad. We good?
We're good.
Okay, my bad. My bad. My bad. I didn't mean to sneeze on you. Achoo. We good?
We're good.
All right, bro. My bad, Brody. My bad. My bad. You good?
You just sneezed on me.
Huh?
You just sneezed on me.
I can't hear you.
You just sneezed on me.
You said I just sneezed on you?
Yeah.
I know. My bad. We good? Hey, I didn't mean to sneeze on you like that.
Seriously?
Huh?
Why are you doing that shit?
What you mean?
Why you keep doing that?
Why I keep doing sneezing?
Yeah, or whatever you're doing.
My bad. Like
Why do you keep doing that?
I can't sneeze.
That's gross. I don't know what you're throwing at me, but that's fucking gross.
My sneeze is clean though. I'm not.
I don't care if it's clean or not. Can you come here? Throwing shit on me.
Hey, bro, don't be doing that shit, bro. I don't
Friend.
give a fuck. Don't be doing that, bro.
Yeah, we good? We good?
No,
No,
bro,
we're not
don't be
fucking
doing
good.
that, bro.
We not good?
Nah, bro, don't be doing that to my girl, bro.
My
Nah,
bad,
she
my
doesn't
bad.
like that. Don't be doing that shit, bro.
Okay, we good though? We good?
No, we're not fucking good.
It was mad. It was mad as fuck, y'all. Hey, but if y'all enjoyed that video, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Road to 1 mil, man. Y'all already know. My camera equipment's about to die, y'all. And we gone.
Sheldon, you're not funny.
You just sneezed all over my fucking neck.